So guys, Extreme Fishing Squad, back like we never left it. We are truck camping in a hurricane. Hurricane's not here yet, obviously.
It will be at some
point.
point.
But it will be.
Probably tomorrow morning. If it's not, then we were just wrong.
We're grilling out. Got all of our junk in here. I just brought a bug. Oh, God, that's nice. Okay, tomorrow morning we're going to try to catch some
We're going
fish.
to cook a little bit of food right now.
Right now we're going to cook a ribeye. Tomorrow morning we're going to try to catch some fish, cook them up. This will only be a one-night thing, but we hope y'all enjoy it, guys.
Yeah.
Gavin, you got anything to say?
That should be good. Let's just get to cooking, boys.
Going? Alright. So, guys, we got this one ribeye here. We're going to have 2 more tonight just in case we can't catch anything. We're going to have to cut that oil down a little. Got the all famous, all classic Greek seasoning. It should be pretty good, guys. Perfect. Woo!
Alright.
Yeah, it might be a little hot. First time cooking with one of these things. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna wait a second actually, guys.
What are we gonna do? Guys, look at this freaking view. Oh my gosh. Hey, but it's like 1:30.
Lunch is ready. Straight off the Bobby. Alright guys, so we're having freaking ribeye and Greek seasoning. It's awesome. I'm putting this bone on here.
Oh.
Just because sometimes the meat on the bone tastes really good. That's what she said. But that's what we're having. Ribeyes, Greek seasoning. I'm drinking some of this homemade apple juice I made. I think it kind of smacks. Gavin doesn't think it's very
I mean, it's not bad.
Steak's pretty good. Gavin dug into it.
I took a little bite. We'll give y'all a minute in a second. All right.
All right, guys.
Oh, that actually looks really good.
Yeah, nice medium rare to rare. Perfecto, boys. That little fat off there. I will eat that. I love fat.
He loves the fat. I don't.
Yeah.
I'm not a huge fan. All right, guys, let's get the first bite for him. Here, I'm gonna cut that in a little bit in half so we can savor it a little bit more.
All right, go ahead and grab your bite.
Ready? Set.
Meal 1, guys.
Oh man,
Dude, that's cooking.
that's good. All right, boys, we're gonna eat this up and we'll get back to y'all.
Yep.
You got any? Yeah. No, there's one.
Bait.
It's a bass.
Never mind, it's a freaking bass, not bait.
Oh my.
Bruh. Well, there's bass in this.
First bass of the day.
Yeah. Alright, buddy. As much as I would love to
You use bait.
take you to a pond, use you as bait, all of the above,
You are a bass.
you are a bass, and I can't catch you, so I'll let you go. And
Alright,
just like that, folks.
He got the one.
Victory.
Bro, there's a bunch of fish that just jumped over there. That's what I was coming.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm gonna catch this out for some catfish. We'll try to get on.
Alright, let's
guys, so what we do with the fish once we catch them is we cut a little V like that in their tail, and they're dead in a little bit, but what this does is it makes them
bleed out.
shake that blood out, and
Probably.
while they swim around for a little bit,
Yeah.
that way the catfish come up and hit them because it looks like an injured
fish, yeah.
Exactly
The point.
what it is.
Yeah.
So,
So we'll throw it out and see. We'll get back to y'all if we catch something.
Right.
All right.
there we go. So guys, in case you're wondering why we got a fire going this close to the truck, Gavin, you want to give the reasons or you want me to?
If you can't tell us
Yeah.
swatting around, there's a lot of bugs.
The smoke should kill off some of the bugs, hopefully. Another thing it'll do is keep us kind of warm. It got a little chilly. That's it, really. All right, hopefully we'll catch a fish today, guys. It's not looking good, but I'm sure y'all will be the
Let's get smoked out.
yeah, y'all will be the third ones to know if we catch a fish.
not good. Now it's gonna smell like a campfire in there.
That's true.
Sunny South Shores. Welcome back to another episode of Mav, or welcome to an episode of Mav if you're new.
You feel?
My name's Maverick, and today...
Guys, check that view out. That's just awesome. We got the catfish line out finally. We're just chilling here.
Just waiting for someone to bite.
Sitting in the bed of the truck, enjoying the view. Smoking some reefers.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. and trying to catch a fish.
All right, we'll get back to him.
You better not send that.
Looks like chocolate syrup.
Now tell me that doesn't look smacking, guys.
All right.
So that's our little appetizer before dinner on some serious gourmet stuff. We got mozzarella, avocado, balsamic vinegar. Cooking it up, and then we're gonna make some ribeyes, boys.
All right.
Yeah, water or anything?
I'm all right.
Sheet, bud.
Video. All that push in. Okay. Are we using one or two? We only have one, so I'm stupid.
Oh,
Forgot to what?
yeah, we can put a lighter.
Oh crap. Oh. Gotta move all this over here.
Well, leave the knife and seasoning.
No, because we want as much spice as we can. Oh, I get what you're saying.
Just that big knife is all I need. And then if you can get the spatula.
That ain't good.
Yep.
Yeah, shit was
Wow. Leave that on film. Here's where the video starts. Alright, if you can grab the napkins. So we're going to do two different things here. We're going to try to follow.
A little less.
So that's one
I'll
cut of
put a
meat.
little oil on here, okay?
Yep. And guys, we are going to go back and get the rest of it. These are some big ribeyes.
Or where's the spatula?
Hmm? Said even the last time they were still good.
Yeah, they were still really good.
Alright, everybody.
Here comes the amazing.
Silence. Slightly upsetting. I'm not gonna lie. The sound wasn't all what I expected.
Maybe it wasn't hot enough yet.
Slowly but surely, Gavin. It's a process.
So,
How was that sound I was looking for? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
In my time. We'll cut it.
Alright, first test of the night. Fish, there you go.
I thought you just had a bite.
Nope. Alright. Look behind you. There we go.
That looks different.
What do you rate it out of 10?
8. It was flaming on W10.